Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Adrian and this is Kinesiology 111. This video is just a brief overview of the course layout and syllabus. When we look at each of these, the course layout provides kind of structure and framework regarding how things are going to be delivered in terms of content as well as measurables. And then the syllabi itself is an agreement between really us, the students and the instructor, and also the third party in that is the instructor and the university and the students in the university. So for the three of us, we have this document called a syllabi that outlines basically, here's what you need to do to earn the A, and here are the points you need to achieve to get the A or the B or the C. And also it provides a context for and a resource for services. But the first thing I want to jump into is the syllabi. So let's get into that. We have a Word document in there, opening it up. Okay, so with the syllabi itself, we have a couple important dates in here for you. We begin the course on Tuesday the 12th, and the last day to drop this course, and I hope you don't, I hope you find a way to gut it out, but when you look at this, the last day to drop the course for 100% refund is October 25th. We have Thanksgiving break during this term, and that'll be, for our course specific, we would be meeting normally on a Thursday, which would be November 25th. I'll be eating a bunch of turkey that day, thank you very much, and I hope you all leave and go home on that Tuesday because campus is closed on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday that week. We reconvene on Monday the 29th, and then the last day to withdraw from the course is also Monday the 29th. And again, I hope you're not in that position where you have to do that. I hope you come see me or send me an email before that so we don't have you in that position. And the last day of the term is December 12th. And for us, specific to our course, we do not have any course obligations during that week. With the syllabi, it provides a basic overview of the course objectives, what we're looking to do, the outcomes of the course, what we're hoping that you learn from the actual content delivered to you in this course. And what you're going to see is some outlines regarding the procedures within the facility itself, because you are actually working out in a facility. It's a third-party type of environment, and they do have some rules and some requirements. Stuff like, just have water bottles with lids on them. They do provide hand towels, which is great. That's an old bullet point in there, but they have started providing those. And then also in the COVID-19 world we live in, just make sure you wipe down your equipment when you're done. And it might be a good idea to wipe it down before you hop on your equipment, just to make sure somebody else might not have been as diligent as you to clean up their equipment. You can work out with a partner, in a group, by yourselves while you're in this class. I'm totally fine with all that. I'm asking that you go ahead and adhere to a bit of a warm-up beforehand and you cool down afterwards so we don't run you out of here with some kind of injury. And with this, I'm going to kind of let you guys dictate with this heavy lifting, because some of you, I'm sure, are experienced weightlifters and can go ahead and lift heavier weights, but I ask you to please utilize good technique and technique that's provided in this course. And I'm going to go ahead and go through some of the other basics here. You can work out 2 times per week in this course, and I talked about that in the Team Builder layout. Team Builder workout layout and how to actually earn your points for this course. And you can make up other workouts on alternate days. I'm totally fine with that. In here, you have the ability to earn 230 points. You have 13 at 5 points apiece, 65 points. 4 check for learnings at 25 gives you 100. That's 230 points, and this is your breakdown. So beyond that, a syllabus also outlines different things like conduct, academic dishonesty, and things that you shouldn't do while you're in this course. We also have the syllabi as an informational document in terms of where you can obtain ADS, services for, if you have an IEP or any other issue with education, please feel free to approach me. Feel comfortable, approach me. I'll accommodate you as best I possibly can. I've never had an issue with this for any student in this course. Remember, this is more activities-based, but I understand because there is some content, some students may have difficulty being able to process or interpret the content and be able to put it on an exam. If you need more time, you need me to sign paperwork, you need me to, whatever you need, I'm more than happy to do that. And this is where you can access those services. Now, just some other things in here regarding equal opportunity, etc., email privacy, accessibility statements in Blackboard, etc. And just keep in mind, like I said, this is an agreement between us, the university, and myself and the university in terms of, if you do this, you'll receive this. I provide this service, and the university provides this particular environment. You can get this text if you want, but we're not going to be pulling any content from that for this course. You can use it as more of a supplement. Best place to reach me is right here via email. Though my last name is Fleischer, they love calling me, or they love cutting off the R on my email address, so I'm A. Fleisch. I do have a phone number on campus, but I don't have a desk, so it goes to a virtual voicemail, and I rarely ever check that, just for the simple fact that I rarely ever direct people to send me a voicemail or leave me a voicemail, but email is the best. Now, if we go into layout, and where the layout comes in and becomes important is this. I have a bit of a Roy G. Biv format. I've been doing this for years. I did it when I was in grad school to help me kind of organize material leading up to an exam. So anything that's in the red, you'll see here in a second, will be color codified within our course. And I have roughly outlined for this course, October 28th is when that'll be open and the assignment will be due. I will, though, state that when I loaded up that content on Blackboard, I didn't put specific dates in. I just left it open, so you can take those and do those at your leisure. If you want to do them all in the first week, God bless. I'm happy for you. But keep in mind, though, the other requirement will be the post and response. So you have to make sure with each workout you do a post and a response for each workout that you do. And you're going to end up having 13 different posts and 13 different responses for this course. And that's how you're going to earn your 5 points total, 2.5 for one, 2.5 for the other. Now, if we go ahead and go back into our course itself and we open this up and we go ahead and go into learning modules, in learning modules, what you'll see is the color codification carries through module 1, module 2, module 3, and I have no idea why those indented like that, and I can't seem to fix either one of them. But module 1 is in red, module 2 is in orange, module 3 is in yellow, module 4 is in green. And then when you get into module 1 and we open that up, you'll find that all the content is in red, and even your slide presentations are in red, and you'll find it even in the write-up. So I tried to provide 3 different formats, one of which is a video presentation, a PowerPoint presentation that you can have open and look through at your leisure, and then also a write-up. And when you're in the write-up itself, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll know, because you're in red here, that this is module 1. If we go ahead and just back this out and we go ahead and go into, scroll this down, module, let's go module 3. We go into module 3, here you are with all your courses. I still have to load up the videos for these, so they will be there in a little bit. We go into the write-up, and in the write-up itself, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, you know, it's yellow, you're in the right module. And roughly it should be week, and here we are. And with those, what I did, and I wrote content for this course, and when I wrote it, I wrote it for a 16-week course, and this has been compressed down to an 8. So what I did is I parsed out some information, some presentation work, and also some of the write-ups from the other courses. And as a result, you might find a random one that reads as like session 11, which we don't have a session or week 11 in our course. It would actually be more session 11. And when we get into here, you can see the actual slides themselves are yellow. And also when we do the presentations, you'll see the presentations will have the yellow slides in the background. I hope that helps in you as a student being able to stay organized. I'm completely okay with you having, if you wish, you can have the slides up, the presentations up, and have your check for learning up. Yeah, it's actually live. And have the check for learning up and do them side by side on your screen. It's not like you have to do them mutually exclusive from each other. I'm more interested in you learning some of the data or some of the information that we're providing and be able to apply it in check for learning format. Also, your check for learnings, each one of them is a multiple try format. So again, if you take it and you get a 20 out of 25 and that's not good enough for you, please feel free to retake it if you want. You can do multiple attempts. All right, guys, have a good one. I hope the color codification and everything else in this course helps you stay organized. I know it helped me when I was a student, and I've used it many times in my other classes on campus here, and it seems to have helped other students. So with that, guys, I'm signing off on this presentation. Thank you.